The FB-111 is a tactical strike aircraft that can fly at supersonic speeds and operate anywhere from treetop level to altitudes above 60,000 feet. The 111 can carry conventional and nuclear weapons and carry up to 2 bombs or additional fuel in the internal weapons bay. Just before our flight, we talked to pilot Sean Sorensen.
It's built for low level, nap of the earth flying. It'll automatically fly the airplane over hills at 200 feet or 300 feet or 400 feet, whatever we set. It'll automatically fly the airplane at night in the weather. That's why we can go in alone, unafraid, when everybody else can't, because we can do it in the weather because the radar allows us to get down and just rock.
Captain Sorensen flies with the 528 Squadron out of Plattsburgh Air Force Base. He's good, but the F-111 crew consists of 2 people, the pilot and a co-pilot weapons specialist.
Good morning, my name is Captain John Roberts. I'm from the 528 Bomb Squadron at Plattsburgh Air Force Base, New York. And I'm sitting in FB-111, which is stationed at Plattsburgh. This is a 2-place cockpit, as you can see. It's an all-weather, high-speed, low-level penetrator. It has speeds capable of over Mach 1 on the ground and Mach 2 at altitude. Looking from left to right here quickly, you have the basic flight instruments on the left side. Going towards the middle, we have the engine instruments and fuel gauges. Center console pretty much has radios in the back. Of course, you have the throttles on each side, and a train following system master control unit.
The avionics systems include communications, navigation, terrain following, target acquisition and attack, and suppression of enemy air defense systems.
Basically, what I have on my right side here, on the right console, I have the satellite communication, SATCOM we call it. It's used for communication of worldwide, any place in the world. We also have UHF radios, ultra-high frequencies. We have HF radios. We have the weapons control panel, which is used for selecting various types of weapons on board.
With that number of things to keep track of, it's important for the crew to work well together.
The real workhorse in the airplane is my navigator. A good navigator can make you gold because they run all the checklists and they're responsible for a lot of the crew coordination items that keep both of us safe. And he can make you money in a pinch if he's good, and John's good.
That's just a quick brief of this jet. It's a great job and we both love it.
And here's what John and Sean do best.
As they go by show center, the wings will be swept forward to 26 degrees. Watch now for the F-111 swing path. He'll do a 360-degree turn to climb out. If that man weighs 200 pounds, he now weighs 4,200 pounds.